S. Quinones Julius Cesar V. Ramos Gerald T. Rata Stephen Jr. L. Salise RGP. Salise Harley James L. Salise Justin Beats. Salise Tom Alexis G. Vincent Ron S. Let us also welcome the honor students of Annas High School with their proud parents. Let us acknowledge the honors from grade 7 Azalea. Honors from grade 7 Zena. Honor students from grade 8 Sharon Moya. Honor students from grade 9 Tesla. Let us also welcome the honors from grade 9 Maxwell. Let us also acknowledge the honors from grade 11 Thorndike. Let us also acknowledge the faculty and staff of Annas High School. Together with them are our distinguished guests. Mary May Namuco, grade 7 Azalea Filipino teacher. Xenia Advisor, English teacher, Ma'am Joyce Antoinette Smith. Let us also welcome grade 8 Cherimoya Advisor, TLA teacher, Ma'am Danica Akyat. Grade 9 Tesla Advisor, Ma'am Rhea Faustine Tagani. Our grade 10 Advisor, Mark Nino Lagubay. Our grade 11 third type advisor, Ma'am Marivic Salise. And one of our mathematics teacher, Ma'am Roxanne Tagon. Let us also acknowledge and give a big round of applause to our school in charge, Ma'am Evelyn B. Sinojales. Let us all give a big round of applause to our public schools district supervisor, Mr. Serlito L. Romero. Let us also acknowledge our very own barangay captain, at the same time our PTA president, Honorable Asterio Salisi. Let us also acknowledge some of the barangay captains from Kutkutan, Ma'am Eliza Nalia, from Magsaysay, Jimmy S. Tadlip, from Pangian, Barangay Captain Fabian Namalata, and from Barangay Taytay, Honorable Noel S. Daraman. Let us also acknowledge with a round of applause our guest speaker. speaker, Mrs. Mary Joy Salisi Salungsuga. May I request everyone to please rise for the singing of the tribal hymns with Mrs. Danica G. Akyat, Miss Marvic Salise, and Miss Roxanne Tagut conducting respectively.